In the UK and Ireland, using the wrong tile cleaner on glazed ceramic tiles can cause up to 30 times more surface level damage. This means that by cleaning your tiles incorrectly, you could be aging your tiles decades ahead of time. Hi, I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to properly clean your bathroom tiles. A sparkling bathroom starts with clean, cared-for tiles. Not only does it look amazing, but it protects your investment and keeps your home feeling fresh over time. Over time, tiles can accumulate soap scum, water stains, and grime, but don't worry, cleaning them is easier than you think. You'll need a few simple supplies: a mild detergent or towel cleaner, a soft sponge, an old toothbrush for grout, and a microfiber cloth for finishing touches. Spray the cleaner generously over the tiles, letting it sit for a few minutes. This loosens dirt and grime, making it easier to scrub away. Gently scrub the tiles with a sponge and use the toothbrush for grout and hard to reach corners. Take your time. Attention to detail makes a huge difference. Rinse the tiles with warm water and wipe them dry with a microfiber cloth. This prevents water spots and leaves your tiles shining. Remember, keeping on top of your tile cleaning makes it easier each time and will have your bathroom looking its best all year round. For more handy hints and tips, subscribe to Bath Shack on YouTube.